you know what? I was doodling the other day, and look what I discovered. If you scribble against the edge of your finger really quickly, when you move your finger away, it leaves this sort of straight edge. And you can use that for making pictures. See if you can guess what I'm drawing. There we go. Well, that's not difficult, really, is it? Look at that. Around there like that. In there. And it's good for just doing these very simple sort of cartoony pictures. There you go. And there like that. And a little cartoon eye in. And there it is. The finger edging technique. But you can also use this technique for colouring your pictures in. Watch this. Here's a picture I've done in ink, and then it's just a case of colouring your picture in exactly the same way, using finger edging, just scribbling or colouring in up to your finger, and just move your finger along the edges of your picture or along the edges of your lines, just scribbling really quickly. And you don't really have to be neat with this, because your finger does it for you. It leaves these neat edges to your colouring in. Again, you can just do some detail in there like that. Again, just scribbling against my finger. There, to the bottom of the tree in. So you can do this fine detail as well. And I find if you colour in the same direction all the way around your picture, just scribbling in the same direction, you get a sort of old-fashioned etched effect to your picture. It allows you to colour it in very quickly. Just going all the way up to your finger like that. Just do the sun the same way very quickly. Another quick scribble there. And there. You can even do larger areas quickly. And you don't have to be perfect with it. You just colour in all the way up to your finger. Just down the edge like that. And there it is. An old-fashioned etched effect using finger edging. And there's yet another technique I discovered. Look at this. If you do your picture in pencil first, and then you finger edge in different directions this time. Look at this. I'm just going right up to my finger in one direction, moving my finger along with the line, like that. And now I'll put my finger up here now and go in a different direction. Look at this. All the way up to the top there, and move it across, and do it like that. And you're sort of using your finger as a ruler, although it's not as neat, because neat can be sometimes boring, can't it? Look at that. And if you complete your picture in the same way, finger edging in different directions, you get this sort of wild effect when you rub out your pencil. Try it yourself. And listen, I've only just discovered this technique, so if you experiment and you find any good effects, let me know. Try it yourself. Finger edging.
Oh, that is such a useful tip. You can use it for edging, for shading, for colouring, and probably lots more if you experiment. Hey, I've done some of that. Well, I haven't got any fingers to edge round, have I?